can.
Alright, y'all. About to go get these drift spares put on. Gonna get some sliding action in tonight with Jay Billworth, negative half a milli today. And then we're heading up to Nocturnal, throwing these on. Nate's gonna put them on his Z. We're gonna see if we can get the Genesis out if Brandon's not a poon. And then head to one of two spots to get some sliding on. So we'll meet y'all at that spot.
There we go.
See that? Look at that. Look at it shift side to side when you do that.
Here, put the light down here. Like on the brake pad.
Yeah, it's totally moving.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That might be it.
The other side's not though.
Shout out that Cali Life 818. You called this out.
Yeah. Mine are bad too in the G.
Here, we'll see what this one is.
It's not. It doesn't do anything.
Did you already check?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that might be it then.
I guarantee it's when you hit when you put the wheel. I'll tell you how to check it. What?
It's still moving.
No, it's not.
Bro, I'm telling you, it is. Hold this. I see it moving without the car moving. Like I can obviously see the car doing it, but it's still like.
It's like very minimal if there is.
But here, I don't think it's delivering. Something else is moving. Put light in there or something.
Yeah, it's stopping.
It's really not that bad though.
Yeah, no, if it's bad,
Maybe
like
two
the other
of
one.
them bad is making it do that though. I don't know. We'll see. We'll get these bitches taken off and the new tires on and go slide this hoe. Jay Billy got us to hook up with these tiny wiener tires, so we're having to make some adjustments to get these to fit. 235 on a 10-inch wheel.
Hey brother, if it wasn't for me, you'd have zero content right now.
Facts.
Let's make sure we can get something.
It's like a cunt hair.
Trying to get it up there.
Fuck it, just use 8. Oh wait, there you
18s.
We almost have to use the fire.
You got Monkey Mike Clam out here?
What's happening, y'all?
Oh man.
Alright. Plug it.
What do you think?
One more. I stopped there. Oh, I forgot to say.
Alright.
So, we're spraying the brake cleaner inside of the tire,
Right.
and then we have to light it. Omar usually sit here in the middle of fucking go boom. Yeah, I'm not doing all that. Is he like fucking fire?
Catches on my. Yeah, but let me take. It's a nice goose for the coat with him.
Dude, I can't even do it out for him. Here. Just to move on out.
Yeah.
Alright. Push this down a little bit.
Oh, stretching good old tires again. Like I'm 16 all over again, baby.
Alright, on this side. The grip is important this whole
Oh, yeah, I just need to go deeper.
Yeah.
About to get high off of that.
The sensor's right there, so it'll make it go for
Hey dude, chill out, those are nice wheels. Don't fuck that side up especially.
So you say.
Alright, blow that hoe up.
Hang on, don't do it yet. On the count of 3, try to put it right where that was at.
Right where that is?
Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hang on.
Nope, now I'm just deaf.
Go. Like on, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go 3, 2, 1. And you spray that thing As soon as we go, oh, we make sure we get a couple practice. Ready?
Aim right.
3, 2, 1.
Almost. Come on.
It's gonna be yeah, it is. Yeah.
I think that really just softened it up enough where
Yeah.
That's going up, right?
Yeah. Slowly.
We only gotta do it again.
Yep.
50% done. Put this on the vlog.
We just got a snap from Chappa. That's his girlfriend's feet. Oh, that's his mouth. Oh, and her toes. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, back to changing tires. Giuseppe's on my feet. Got me going tap tap. One down. And then one to go. All right, last tire's on. Gonna tighten up this e-brake to see if we can get a little bit of usage out of that thing before my hydro comes in.
Bro, you gotta stop talking to the blackness.
Then we're gonna get out of here.
There.
I'll walk out and this motherfucker's already got my car apart. The e-brake's not? That'll explain why it doesn't work.
No, the center console.
Oh.
Hell yeah. Alright, cool. I'll be right back.
We're chilling, baby. Gotta tighten this hoe up. Get the show on the road. Yeah, dude, literally. So I noticed after I bought this car, there's this little flashing light, which we now got out and says a Pexi on it. And it's got 2 buttons on it, and we're trying to figure out what the fuck it does, and we have no idea yet. So stay tuned and we'll find out.
Oh, the box is right here.
How big is it?
Like 2 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch. So yeah, wherever this goes is where it leads to.
I've been wondering this whole time when I see this flashing line, like what the hell is
That's
this?
what I said. Remember when I texted you that one day and I said it's a throttle control thing?
Yeah, what's it say?
It's literally plugged in.
To the throttle cable?
No, the throttle pedal. It literally, you literally unplug the throttle pedal. One side goes into it. The other, like the old wiring harness, plugs into the other side. So let's search what the
buttons do. Probably makes it sensitive and less sensitive.
That's so weird. That this would be on a stock car.
Well, finding more and more shit about this every day.
Like what a weird.
Oh yeah, I'm not fucking ready. E-brake.
Yeah, probably feels a lot better. It's so funny how they're just absolute dog shit in these cars.
I think it's popping more. Turning it up one on that controller.
Does it feel different?
No, it's backfiring more.
See how much it spins right here. Oh yeah. We have arrived. You aren't even gonna believe me. I'm dumbfounded. It
it doesn't wobble anymore at all. It hasn't done it at all. I'm like, ask him, it's not even a little bit.
No, like it's.
I mean,
I'd have either a lug was loose or those tires had some weird fucking defect. But dude, it's literally gone. It's not doing it at all. And I brought it up to him. He's like, dude, no, like, I haven't even felt it. And I'm trying to get it to do it. It literally won't. I don't want to 100% ride it off yet, but it didn't do it at all.
well, there wasn't enough play in the wheelbase for me to be concerned.
We'll see. Oh, don't be a police officer. It's probably gonna be like 600 horsepower on these tires.
Yeah. Ooh, there it goes.
Definitely not. Coming off of the street.
Yeah.
I forgot I had the e-brake.
I know.
What's this Mustang doing? Oh, you definitely don't care.
Nah.
Watch this dude just coming on the hydro.
Bro, look at him. Who is this? Boy needs to get out the way.
Trying to watch. He probably heard us.
Yeah, he needs to get out the way. That's fine. He's doing his rear view. He'll be like, what?
What does he look like?
Considering you got different wheels on the back,
Yeah.
sorry,
Okay, so oddly enough, we changed the tires in the car. I can finally drift it now. Now that it's not fucking 275 with 20 pounds of air in it. And we adjusted the e-brake cable. That's why it was a lot better than the last time, because it was just almost impossible. This is literally a bone stock 350Z, so I cannot wait to have everything done to it. But also, we changed the tires. The rumbling and wobbling the car did, it's gone. I don't want to completely write that off yet, but it has not happened since we put these tires on, and I've even tried to get it to happen. But that was a little bit of a hit and a quitted spot for tonight. We're gonna get some food, and then we'll see what we got planned for later on. See ya.